What's up guys, Eric here, back to another DIY video, and behind me you can see homing pigeons. I haven't really talked about these on this channel at all, and I haven't made any videos on them actually. This is an 8x16 loft. I plan to do a loft tour or walkthrough here in the near future. But anyways, today's topic is sanitary feeders. So let me go ahead and grab one and show you what I'm talking about. So here I have one of the feeders. I'd say this one's probably 30 inches long, maybe 25 pounds. This is a really awesome feeder. Check it out. Here I have one of 3 feeders that I made today. They're all based off of this inner pivoting design where you can open and close it from the outside. I'll take you inside the loft and we'll look at this in a little bit more detail, and I'll explain the reasons for why it closes like that. Alright, so here we have the feeder. Before I show you how it works, I want to talk a little bit about young bird racing. First couple of weeks when your birds are settling in, learning how to trap into your loft, and they're just loft flying, once 15 to 20% of the birds have already ate food and are going up to drink water, you typically pull your feeders out. That way the birds that were late to feed will be hungrier the next day. They'll get to the food quicker, etc. So instead of pulling your feeders out of your loft every time you're trying to put your birds on edge for the next day, rather you can just close this, then pull it. So you see, you just turn those in like so. They can feed, and then when you're done, simply just fold them out like that. And the way this works is really simple. You just have one screw right here. It's on a pivoting system here. So kind of came up with that today. I don't know if anybody else has done anything like that. Nothing that I've seen on YouTube or online. So I figured I'd share that with you. It makes life easier, especially when you have a little bit bigger one. I'll take you into here and show you. Has 2 little guide screws right there, so when you close it, it stays centered so that hinge doesn't get broken. That's about it. I keep the top with quite a bit of overhang on each side. That way no droppings can get down into it from the side. One little detail that I want to note with the larger feeder is these 2 screws I put here. Those are marked perfectly in the center, and the reason for those is you can see it quickly stops. It's a quick little gauge there to stop it off. And the reason it's at that gap is because I want feed to still pass through it without getting clogged or stuck in there when I drop feed in. So that's about it. They're pretty basic, and let me know what you think. Drop a comment, thumbs up if you like it, and as always, subscribe.